Well, a beautiful day finally in the 70s. Last week was up near 100 degrees and I wasn't about to come out here. But I've started the process of dismantling this whole thing. And yes, the bear made a mincemeat out of all this. This is not salvageable. That's not a big deal though, because I've got plenty of L trim that I got. Luckily, the composite wood is still in good shape, so I can simply reuse that. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the fence posts that I need to replace. This one over here I think is no problem. It's not that bent, so I can straighten this one out. These here, I have plenty of replacement posts, so if I need to, I can replace others, but I think that'll be it. This track I think is going to be salvageable. If it's not a big deal. But you can see it broke clear across here. So, because this bent and that bent, so I've got a little work to do to reassemble all this. And but other than that, this is the main thing that I need to get back together, and that's not a big deal because it's a straightaway. So I'll keep plugging at it. My main goal right now is to just get all this apart, straighten up over here what I can straighten up, and then see where I take it from there. And there we are, all cleaned up for now. It's not too bad. Basically, 4 posts I got to replace, and this over here I managed to straighten out. It fell back a little bit, but once I get the other posts in to brace it, it should be okay. So that this all went back together okay. I'm gonna fix this turn over here. This is a little weird. I can make it so that it curves more gently and just goes straight from here rather than that sharp turn there. But yeah, and I managed to even straighten this up over here so it's not tilted like that anymore. So hey, win-win all around. And yeah, now I just gotta get going on putting in the new stakes and the brackets, and then put it all back together. All right. The L trim is back on, and the chipmunk helped. The L trim is back on, so now all I've got to do is put the composite wood back on, screw it down, and then I'll be ready to fix the track. That didn't take that long at all. That was actually pretty smooth. All right, the composite is down. I had to cut this piece over here. It ended up being a little longer because way at the end over there, it had, shifted. So, but that's no big deal. It actually is a nice tight joint there now. I'm happy. Now all I got to do is remove the track that doesn't work, and then reinstall some good track on here, and then we are back in business until another bear comes. All right, we have a beautiful, if windy day, and I've got this track replaced. And I went with all of the stainless steel with plastic ties for this. That's all I've got of it. So hopefully that will never rot. And what I did over here, you can see I've changed the angle of approach here a bit. So it's more of almost a little slight S-curve around there, which evens that turn out quite a bit. So that should be a lot smoother going around that turn. But there's only one way to find out. Let's get an engine on and see if we're good to go.
Dispatcher here. Please hold for track orders. Over. Roger. Let me know when I can roll. Out. Dispatcher here. Please hold for track orders. Over. Roger. Let me know when I can roll. Out.